Yo guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can download Zooper Widget Pro for absolutely free. So as usual, click on the link in the description and you'll be taken up to our page. No, not a hostage but as a visitor. Yes, and you can simply browse and you'll see a short intro of what Zooper Widget Pro can really do. And there's the simple steps you require, so if you get stuck, be sure to check them. And the step 2, yes, it's a very important one because many people don't get stuck there. And then there's the download links, okay, and clicking them will download too. So if it helps, make sure to subscribe us and also follow Facebook if you need something. So I'll just download up from the links, the 2.60, and you have to wait 5 seconds. But yes, do not ignore any pop-ups, but wait.
Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest video.
And after you click skip the ad, if it takes you to any other site other than Mediafire, then turn back and you can easily download it now. See, and there, I downloaded it. Oh hell yes. Now I'll open it. See that right there. So I'll install it. And bingo, this is Zooper Widget Pro, absolutely free. So let's open it, and if you still don't believe me, see there's Zooper Widget Pro and I'll show you. Okay, let's see how it works. I'll go to widgets. Where's Zooper? There is it. I'll choose the 4x1. Never mind, 4x2. Okay, let's resize it, and I'll be showing you by importing a template. Okay, so now let's start, and see, I can store up templates saved on SD cards, and also there's this autosave function there. And I'll be importing this layout, example layout. Oh, and if you want this, I'll provide the link to this setup as well. You can download it and use it. That is, if you want this. And if you use it, make sure to change the scaling to 115. That is if you're using it on the side, like me. And now the proof, see, you can store up external resources and fonts and bitmaps, and also create an APK ready zip file to like save your widget configuration and blah 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 whatever. Oh, never mind. Whatever name, I don't care. And there are like the tap actions. I'll show you, like module and tap actions. See, there's this module and tap there unlocked. If I click on the clock, it will take me to whatever app I chose. In this case, I'll choose clock. See, it says it is that. I'll even do the same for the date. Say calendar. Where is it? Oh my god, where is it? There is it. So it will take me to calendar. And not only the separate modules on tab, but there is a whole together widget on tab action, which will take you wherever you desire. And see there, bingo, it works just as fine. So guys, that's all. Hope you like it. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe and tap that bell icon to stay notified.